have this question about Avimelech and Sarah Imeinu.
Mm-hmm.
So I was reading this commentary that says that one has to be very, very careful with the curses, even from
simple men.
Yeah, because it says that Avimelech cursed Sarah, and these words were fulfilled through her descendants. That's what he says in Megillah 15b. So I was thinking, when did the promise of Hashem that those who curse you are going to be cursed, and those who bless you are going to be blessed, started like to be applied here? Because I mean, he says that Abimelech cursed Sarah, and the actual curse kind of took place further on. But wasn't it supposed to be like rejected from the blessing that Hashem gave to Abraham, that those who curse you are going to be cursed?
I mean, so the one does not exclude another. So I mean, they also going to be cursed, but does not mean that the curse is not going to work. Understand? So please remind me, what was the curse when that realized on her descendants? I remember reading, but what was it?
I'm not really sure about the curse. I just said that this was written about the Megillah 15, but I'm not really sure about the curse itself.
I remember this part. I just don't remember exactly what was the curse that realized. Okay, but the whole place was cursed. And this guy, where the guy lived, and we know till this day it's a cursed place. It's Gaza, right?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, bottom line, even a Jew, very righteous Jew, has to be careful about any curse coming from pretty much anyone.
I mean, we don't provoke the curses, but then if Hashem wants this curse to work, it's going to work. So it's not going to be. I mean, it's also going to be attributed to that person, and he's going to be punished for the curses. You understand? But if we say if a wicked person curses you, so it's like a blessing to me. Yeah, you understand? So if a man's freedom gives you compliments, so that's a curse, right? And if he curses somebody, like that means most likely, like there is a possibility that person is a righteous person. You understand? So again, we don't provoke anybody, but if somebody is provoked or unprovoked, that's their own business.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.